guys, welcome to my channel. This is my secret. Pang drawing ako. Samsung ako pang drawing. Mga pencil. Pencil. Let's go. Part 2. There is paint. There is a eraser. Bye-bye.